Welcome to the English Master Hour.
Hello, everyone. I am Olivia.
And I am Justin. Today, we talk about a big secret.
A big secret?
Yes, a very big secret.
What is it?
It is the secret habit of people who become fluent in English.
Oh, many students want to be fluent, but they say it is hard work.
It is hard work, yes, but there is one special habit.
Tell us.
It is not about buying expensive books.
And it is not about watching movies for 10 hours, right?
No, that is not it at all.
Then what is the secret?
Let's talk about it.
So what is this secret?
It is very simple. It is the 15-minute rule.
15 minutes? That is not very much time.
That is the point. It is small, but it is every day.
Ah, I see. Many people study for 3 hours on Sunday only.
Exactly. That is not the best way.
Because they are tired on Monday?
Yes, they are tired and they forget.
But 15 minutes is easy to do.
Yes, you have 15 minutes, right?
Yes, I have 15 minutes.
Everyone has 15 minutes. It is a small part of your day.
And this helps you become fluent?
Yes, it helps your brain learn English slowly.
Slowly, but every day. That sounds smart. But what can I do in only 15 minutes?
That is a good question. Many people think they need a lot of time.
Yes, I feel like I need 1 hour at least.
You do not. 15 minutes is enough if you do it well.
So what do I do? Should I read a long book?
No, do not read a long book. It is too much.
Okay, no long books. What about a movie?
A movie is too long too.
This is hard.
Keep it simple. Listen to one song in English.
Just one song?
Yes. Read the lyrics, sing the words. That is 5 minutes.
And for the other 10 minutes?
Read one page of a short story. Or write 3 sentences.
Write 3 sentences about my day?
Exactly. That is perfect practice.
I can do that. It sounds very easy. But why 15 minutes? Why not 2 hours on the weekend?
Our brains are funny.
Funny? How?
When you study for 2 hours, your brain gets tired.
Oh, yes. I feel very sleepy after 1 hour.
Exactly. Your brain stops listening.
But 15 minutes is very short.
Yes, and it is fun. Your brain likes short, fun things.
So it remembers the English better?
Correct. It is like eating.
Eating?
Yes, eating a small, healthy meal is better than eating one huge, big meal once a week.
That makes sense. It is about quality, not quantity. What if I am very busy one day?
That is okay. Do not worry.
But do I lose my progress?
No, one day is not a problem.
So I do not need to be perfect?
No, never be perfect. Just try again the next day.
Okay, that makes me feel better.
The secret is not to quit.
To keep going, even when I am busy.
Exactly. Just 15 minutes is fine.
But when is the best time to study?
That is a great question.
I like the morning. The morning? I'm very tired in the morning.
That is okay. Do it with your coffee or your tea.
Oh, I love my coffee.
Perfect. When you drink your coffee, you listen to English.
Coffee in English. That sounds nice.
It connects your new habit to a thing you already do every day.
I understand. What about on the bus to work?
Exactly. 15 minutes on the bus is perfect.
I'm excited to start this tomorrow.
Good. It becomes a fun part of your day, not a job.
I worry about one thing.
What is that?
I worry about making mistakes when I speak.
Oh, that is very normal.
But I feel very shy
Why are you shy?
because I do not want to say the wrong words.
But everyone makes mistakes, even me.
You?
Yes, me too. It is part of the process.
So I should just speak?
Exactly. Just open your mouth and say it.
Okay. I will try to be brave. So if I make a mistake, I just keep going?
Yes, do not stop. Do not get sad.
It is hard to not get sad sometimes.
Think about children. When children learn to walk, they fall.
Yes, they fall a lot.
But they do not stop walking. They stand up again.
You are right. Mistakes are just like falling.
Exactly. It is a part of learning.
That makes me feel much better.
Good. Never stop because of a mistake. Keep going.
Okay, I will try to be brave.
Good. What is the first thing you want to practice?
Maybe I can talk about my day?
That is a great idea.
But I do not know many words.
Use the words you know. Keep it simple.
Okay. I drink coffee. I go to work. I walk.
See? That is English.
It is very simple.
Simple is good. Simple is how you start.
Is this simple way really enough?
Yes, it is the best way. It builds your foundation.
I worry that it takes a long time to see progress.
It does, but it is not a race. It is a journey.
A journey. That sounds nice.
Think of it like a game.
A game? I love games.
See? You are already enjoying it.
You are right. I should enjoy the process.
Exactly. That is the true secret.
Wait, so I should only study things I like?
Yes! Do not study boring grammar books for 15 minutes.
Oh, that is good news. I really do not like grammar books.
Me neither. They are very boring.
So, if I like games, can I play a game in English?
Yes. If you like sports, watch a sports video.
This is much better than a classroom.
Exactly. It is learning, but it is like play.
I like this idea very much. It feels like I am not really studying when I play.
That is good. That is the best way to learn.
But do I need a teacher for the other things?
You can be your own teacher sometimes.
How can I do that?
Use your phone. Record your voice.
Record my voice? Oh no!
Do not be scared. It is only for you.
Will it help me learn?
Yes. You listen to it and you hear your own English.
That sounds like a good plan. But what if I am at home all day?
You can still do it. Put labels on your things.
Labels? Like paper with words on it?
Yes. Write door on a paper and stick it on your door.
That sounds funny.
It helps. You see the word door every time you walk.
Oh, I see. It is like a game for my home.
Exactly. Now your house speaks English too.
What about movies? Can I watch movies for 15 minutes?
A whole movie is too long.
Oh, right. That is true.
But you can watch a short part of a movie.
Just 15 minutes of a story?
Yes. It is like reading one page.
That is a great idea.
Keep it small. Keep it easy.
I am very happy with this plan. But what if I get bored?
That is a good worry. You can change your practice.
Change it? How?
Monday, listen to a song. Tuesday, read a story.
So I do not have to do the same thing every day?
No, do what you like.
That makes it fun again.
Yes, and you still do your 15 minutes.
I love that idea. I am worried about the time, though.
What do you mean?
Does it take a long time to get fluent?
It takes some time, yes, but 15 minutes a day makes it faster.
That is true.
Do not look at the clock. Look at your progress instead.
My progress? How do I see it?
Record your voice today and listen to it again in 1 month.
Oh, that is a great idea.
You will hear how much better you are.
Sometimes I feel like I am not learning.
Like you are stuck?
Yes, exactly. I feel like my English is the same as last month.
Think of a plant.
A plant?
Yes, you give it water every day.
Okay, and then?
You do not see it grow, but it is growing.
That is true. It grows a little bit every day.
Exactly. Your English is like that plant.
So, even if I do not feel it, I am growing?
Yes, you are. 15 minutes a day is the water.
Sometimes I think I cannot do it.
Why do you say that?
Because English is so big. There are so many words.
It is big, but you do not need all the words.
I don't?
No, you only need the important words for your life.
Oh, that makes it easier.
Focus on what you need, not on everything.
Okay, I will focus on my own life. I still feel a bit nervous to speak with native speakers.
That is totally normal. They just want to understand you.
Even if I make small mistakes?
Yes, they do not look for perfect English.
That makes me feel much more confident.
Exactly. You are ready to start talking to people.
I am. I feel ready now.
So, let us finish today with our goal.
The goal is 15 minutes of English every day.
Exactly. You can do it.
I am very happy we talked about this today.
Me too. It is a simple habit, but it changes everything.
Yes, it makes English feel easy and fun.
So, start today. Just 15 minutes.
I will. I'm going to practice right now.
That is the spirit. Thank you for listening, everyone.
We hope you enjoy your English journey. See you next time.